theorem of areas of similar triangles. Similar triangles. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. We have already studied the theorem on ratio of area of two triangles. Now here, instead of two, here similar triangles. Theorem is when two triangles are similar, then ratio of area of this triangle is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Again, I repeat the theorem. When two triangles are similar, then ratio of areas of this triangle is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So for our convenience, here I got diagram first. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So here first of all, triangle ABC, and here second triangle, triangle PQR. Okay, so I have drawn two triangles. Now here, first of all, we mentioned given triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. That is given. Okay. Now ratio of area, we want area. So for area we need base and height. So here let's draw perpendicular AD and PS. So here AD perpendicular on BC and PS perpendicular on QR. Okay, so this portion is given to you. Now what is your theorem? If two triangles are similar, then ratio of, so here 2. Now let's discuss what we want to prove. Ratio of area of two triangles, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding side. So for AB, corresponding side PQ, squares. So here AB square by PQ square. You can take either BC by QR. So here is equal to BC square by QR square as well as AC square by PR square. So you have to take any one of these. Ratio of squares of their corresponding side. So whatever according to given situation, you have to consider only one way. Okay. Now here let's start proof. So here I am starting proof. For a while, forget this perpendicular. Okay. So here as you are given triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. That is given to you. And as we know, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding angle, therefore angle B congruent angle Q. Equation 1. Okay? And then corresponding sides are in proportion. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Equation 2 here CST and here CAST. Okay, corresponding angles, corresponding sides. Okay, now for a while here forget this portion. Forget these portions. Half triangle. Now try to prove similar as you have angle B congruent angle Q. Now try to prove similarity in these two triangles, and we can clearly do this by using ADS. So in triangle ADB, and triangle PQS, angle B congruent angle Q, that is from 1, angle ADB congruent angle PSQ is 90. So as two angles congruent, that means triangles are similar by area test. So here triangles are similar by area test. Therefore, triangle ABD similar triangle. Now check proper correspondence. ABD PQ yes by AA test. Okay. As two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So here we get AB by PQ is equal to BD by PS. I don't want that one. And then AD by PS. Equation 3. Okay. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now check equation 2. This AB by PQ already equal to this. That means if we merge these two, you will get AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PS. Equation 4. Equation 4 from 2 and 3. So if we merge these two from 2 and 3, we get equation 4. So up to here we got all these 4 equal. Now concentrate on complete diagram. We have studied ratio of area of two triangles. Now area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. And we have studied this theorem at the starting of this chapter. Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. So here for ABC, base is BC and height is AD. BC into AD. In the same way, here QR into PS. So here in this way, ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. But check AD by PS. AD by PS is equal to what? BC by QR. So here replace it. BC by QR into BC by QR from 4. That is BC square by QR square. And now check this. BC square by QR square. All these are equal. That is therefore area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square, as well as all these are equal. So here we can write AD square, or right here below, AD square by PS square. All these are equal. So in this way, that means we can say that the two triangles are similar. Ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding side as well as ratio of squares of their corresponding altitude also. Okay. Now based on this, let's start some questions from practice set 1.4. Some questions from practice set 1.4. So here, first of all, we'll start with the easy question. Practice set 1.4. Question number 6. Easy question. In this question, you are given that triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. That is given to you. And then you are given that are equilateral. Are equilateral triangles. Both are equilateral triangles. Okay. Then you are given is equal to 1:2. And then you are given if AB equal to 4, find DE. Find DE. That is the question. Find DE. Now read the question carefully. Triangle ABC and triangle DF are equal. Both are equal triangle. Maybe their size different, but equal triangle. Then therefore triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Both are equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles. So when your equilateral triangles are similar, then we have studied theorem by ratio of areas of similar triangles. By ratio of areas of similar triangle, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to, when two triangles are similar, ratio of area of this triangle is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So if R is the side AB here, corresponding side D. So here you get AB square by DE square. Now in this put on value, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, that is given to 1:2. So here 1/2 equal to AB square. AB is 4 square by DE square. So if we perform cross multiplication, here 1/2 equal to 16 by DE square. So here therefore DE square is equal to 32. So by taking square root, DE equal to 4√2. So in this way you have to find out value of this by taking square root. DE equal to 4√2.